In this video, we'll look into symbols and how we can use symbols to streamline our workflows in Affinity. As you can see here, we have multiple logos in different artboards, including the hello text. If you want to change the color or any style of this particular logo, and we want that particular change to be applied to other logos in other artboards simultaneously, then we use symbols. In this case, as I have not made this particular logo symbol, if we try to change the hue of that particular logo by selecting that particular logo, you can clearly see that the color of that particular logo has changed. However, the color of other logos are as it is. So in order to change the color of other logos as well, first of all, let's access the symbol. To access the symbol, go to Windows, navigate to Vector, and click on Symbols. After you click on symbol, you can see the symbol panel. Now, in order to create a new symbol, first of all, make sure that you select a logo or icon or any object that you want to make the symbol of. Right now, I want to make the symbol of this particular logo. So I'm selecting this particular logo. And after selecting, click on the Create button right here. Now you can see that this logo has been created as a new symbol. If you right click on this symbol, which is recently created, you can see that we have rename symbol option and delete symbol option, which can be used to delete the symbol that we have created. And in order to rename, you can click on rename symbol and let's give it the name, which is logo 1, and hit OK. Now this is our logo 1. So this is our symbol. Similarly, what we can do next is we can apply the instance of this particular symbol to all of the artboards. And as soon as we apply the instance to the logo in all of the other artboards, when we change the color of this particular symbol, then all of the instance of that particular symbol will also change its color. So for instance, to demonstrate, I'll replace all this particular logo in other artboards with this particular symbol logo. So in order to do that, I'll first of all click and drag. And now you can see that the symbol has been dragged and dropped in artboard 2. And we can replace this particular symbol with the existing logo right here. So in order to do that, I'll delete this particular symbol or logo, and I'll do this for all of the other symbols. After we have aligned all the instance of the symbol in its respective artboard, now here comes the magic of the symbol. That is, if we change the color of a particular symbol, then all of the instance of that symbol or the color of all of the instance of that symbol will also change. For example, if I change the color of this particular master symbol, then now you can see that all of the colors of that symbol has also changed. So this is how symbols can be used to streamline our workflows in Affinity. You can also create the symbol of the text hello as well. However, you can try that for yourself. And in order to detach any of the logo here from the instance or as the instance of the symbol, you can simply click on the detached button right here. And now if you change the color of the master symbol, you can see that the detached symbol does not change its color. So this is how you can use symbol in Affinity, and it will really be helpful to smooth or make your workflow streamlined. If you find this video helpful, click on the like button, and to get more tips and tricks about Affinity, hit the subscribe button. Thank you for watching this video and see you on the next video.